Welcome guys, today I'm out here to show you how you can make money by yourself using my Betzero formula, which I call the Betzero minimizer. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of money. But do you know that you can actually make use of, you can actually make money with Betzero option? Yes, I know some of you guys will be like, how? Yes, it is possible. So first and foremost, before I go, please note that my videos, my content here on this channel are for educational purposes. I'm not encouraging or advising anyone to go into gambling. Alright. And again, please, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, join my Telegram channel, like my videos, share, alright, and comment if necessary. Okay. So guys, first thing foremost, we're gonna be talking about the ID and the bezier frequency. All right, but do you know on this bezier, on this ID, you can actually select some certain numbers here not to come, because the last time what we talked about when we talked about bezier, it was actually we're picking two numbers, just two numbers, and we're getting the accurate result. All right, but this time around we're going to be selecting three numbers. We're going to be selecting three numbers or four numbers if possible. All right, because the odds are more bigger than each other. All right, so let's go guys. So first thing first is I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of this ID to get the next accurate result, which is numbers not to come. All right, so let's go guys. So first and foremost, you can see we're having 0, we're having 6, we're having 26 here. So these three numbers, we can take it not to come. All right, so let's go and do the right thing. Okay, so now guys, let's pick 06 and 26 not to come. 06 and 26 not to come. Where is it? 6 uh 26. Okay, our time is gone already. There's not a 0 here, so we are picking 26 and 6. So let's see if 26 and 6 is going to come. All right, 26 and 6 does not shows up, right? All right, so let's go again. Now we're going to be selecting 1, we're going to be selecting 6 and 26. So 26, 6 and 1 are not going to show. So let's go and check it out if it's going to happen the way we said it, guys. So we are picking 26, 6 and 1. 26, 6 and 1. This pattern is very accurate in a little way. I won't say 90%. You understand? I won't say 98%, but it's really accurate. It's more like I'm using my all by total balance to stake it, guys. So it's not 100% accurate, but I you can still make use of it in terms of 50-50. All right, so that's just it. So let's see if it's going to come the way we said it. Wow, this is a winning, guys. Can you see? So now, like I said, I don't assure it 98%. Please just know that. So now the one I can actually assure for 98% is one I call the Betzero minimizer. You see that one, we're going to be using our we are going to be going to Betzero frequency, and we're going to be checking the frequency. So I'll be checking the frequency here to see the one that is the code numbers and the odd numbers. If you remember the last time I talked about code numbers and odd numbers, so if you watch that video, you really understand what I'm saying. So I'll be going for the code numbers, because code numbers are the numbers that are not meant to come at the moment, while odd numbers are the numbers the system are making use of at the moment. All right, so after the results, I'll be checking the code numbers from the odd numbers, which I'm already doing. Okay, just watch. I won't be highlighting this one, just I won't be highlighting this one, but I knows those code numbers already, and I know those who has my lessons on code numbers and numbers should be able to identify what I'm saying. But at the moment, let me just go for the code numbers. The last time we are only picking two code numbers, but this time around we'll be picking three or four if possible. So let's go guys. I've seen some code numbers which I'm going to be picking. I'm going for 26, 40, and 11. Hey, shit, I was unable to play this game. I was unable to play this game. So let's see if it's going to show up. Let's see. Can you see? Can you see? We have 33 does not shows, 11 does not shows, 40 does not shows, 26 does not shows. Can you see? Yeah. Can you see? So I'm going to be selecting another numbers again because I was unable to play. So let me see again. Okay, those numbers are still very much cold, so I'm going to be staking all this time around. Yes, I'm going to be staking all this time around. So you can also make use of this pattern. This one I can guarantee you 98% assurance on this is very very accurate, guys. Very very accurate, guys. So let's watch if we are going to have our winning. So much accurate to the extent that you can stake any amount that you have. You can stake any amount. Can you see what I'm saying? You can see we have a winning. So can you see? So that's just that about that. So anyone who has this, who find it interested, can reach out to me and I'll give you a lesson on how you can actually get this tutorial, guys. So good day, guys. Have a wonderful day, and see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye. Peace out.